Like Howard said, you don't need a rotisserie to make today's recipe. All you need is a Bundt pan. Howard shows us how to make his herb roasted Bundt pan chicken in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Here in the Test Kitchen, we love it when we can find alternate uses for everyday kitchen items. One of my favorites is using a Bundt pan to roast a chicken. It not only helps it stand on end while it cooks, but it also infuses it with all the goodness that we surround it with. Let me show you how easy it is. We begin by mixing olive oil with some garlic and onion powder, along with paprika and a little salt and pepper. We rub this all over the chicken, inside and out. Now we place the chicken tail side down onto the center part of the Bundt pan, like this. You want to make sure that the tips of the wings are tucked in so they don't burn while they cook. Then we surround the chicken with cut up carrots and onions, top those with some fresh thyme, and pour on some chicken broth and white wine. This goes onto a baking sheet and into the oven it goes to slow roast until it's cooked through and the skin is crispy. There you have it, one of the most flavorful and moist roasted chickens you'll ever eat. It sort of self-bastes as it cooks and picks up tons of flavors from the herbs and wine. The recipe for our herb roasted Bundt pan chicken is online now, just in time for dinner tonight. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a creatively delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Here's a look at today's 4 state market prices.